Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. We are starting a series of videos, a complete course on option basics, and this is called Mission Options. And in this series of videos, we will be covering all the topics related to options. And we will be starting this video very soon, and those people who click the join button below the video and who have subscribed to our learners membership, and they will be getting the videos earlier than the public, and the public will get few days after the learners group. And this video will be available early, not only for learners group, it will be available for pro members as well as retail members. So if you would like to join, you can click the join button below the video. What can you expect in this video? We will cover the topics like derivatives, futures, forwards, options, and all the option terminologies, the factors affecting the options, strategies used in the options. And this course will be completely free for you. We are not charging any money. And however, there are people who always tell me, sir, we don't want free course and we want to pay you something. And for them, I'm telling you, I have set up a foundation in my wife's name called Mangai Foundation for the charitable purpose. And the bank details of the charitable trust, Mangai Foundation, is given in the description. If you watch the videos and if you think that you have benefited, and if you think that you want to pay something to me, and you do not have to pay anything to me, you can just donate the money to my charitable trust. How much you have to donate? No, we are not asking. So even if you donate 1 rupee, we will be happy. We have set up the foundation very recently. We are yet to get the income tax exemption from the income tax department. So therefore, if you want income tax exemption, so please do not donate now. We will announce it as and when we get the income tax exemption, 80G. So after that you can donate it. But for the time being, any amount you are donating to this foundation, you will not be eligible for any tax benefit. Although this is a options course, for the continuity, I need to explain what is derivative, what is forward, what is future. So we may be spending 3 or 4 episodes for these basic things before going on to the options. And people who already have a fair knowledge of options and already trading in options, and if you want to improve the skills, and if you want to maximize the return and minimize the risk, and we are conducting workshops for that, and you can see the link for the workshop site here. You can click there and register for the workshop, and that will be advanced options with practical examples. Thank you for watching.